Okay, again, for folks who have joined later in this DLI session, please go through uh, these three notebooks. First one is just providing overview of the megamol word and what we want to accomplish in this lab. Step one is meant for just to give a glimpse of what a model training looks like. So training a model of such a large size using a chemical data set. So if you follow the steps here, and I have provided some snapshots showcasing what it should look like. And if you have set up your weights and biases account by going to this lab, you will be able to monitor the progress of the training job in real time. So for example, several parameters like what epoch or what's the loss values or training loss, or even the resource utilizations, right? So what is the sort of different matrix of GPU and CPU utilization? So uh, step one indicates or includes all those instructions, and step two is where you will find examples for inferencing functionalities, and then we'll perform some generative chemistry and predictive modeling. So feel free to follow these steps at your pace, and we have gone through all the steps, but if you have joined later in the lab, feel free and follow those and let us know if you have any questions, either technical or around this model in the chat, and we'll be happy to answer them. Okay, so there's a question about the recorded labs. So you will have to come back to the DLI page for this particular lab. In I think some time, once it gets curated, it will be uploaded and you will be able to access the recordings for those DLI labs. There's a question about different inference. Yeah, so if you have a different smile, you can just uh, change the smiles, and depending on what cell you are referring to, but you can rerun basically the whole lab if you want to use different smiles for inferences, or if you are a particular step, for example, molecular generation. So you can, yeah, change the smile string with your preferred example and can uh, run the following cells. Okay, so I guess with that, I will conclude this lab, and you will feel free to follow the lab at your own pace and follow the steps that are mentioned. And please reach out to us if you have any question. Please check all other pages that I mentioned previously for the resources about the model, and also some of the blog posts and recent announcement at GTC. And uh, yeah, and the recordings will be available as well, so you can revisit and follow and let us know if any questions, and please apply these models to your drug discovery process, and we'll be happy to follow up. And please join the interest group if you are interested in learning more about these large language models and getting started with these models. All right, thank you everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And thanks to the DLI team and thanks to TAs, instructors. Uh, Thanks everyone. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.